Good morning, Eastern Stars.
Today is Tuesday, March 11, 2025. I'm Tegan.
I'm Mr. Cooper.
I'm Aurelia.
And I'm Everett.
Lunch choices, Everett.
First choice is beef walking taco. Second choice is veggie walking taco. Third choice, sun butter and jelly with yogurt and crackers.
We have 2 birthdays today. Happy birthday to Guy and Marlo in Miss Lane's class. Have a great day, you two.
Weather.
Today it's only to get up to 37 degrees. It's quite a bit colder than yesterday, so keep those coats on. It's going to be partly cloudy in the afternoon.
How about this reminder?
Remember, stay away from the mud and water puddles on the playground. If you get wet, you will be not allowed to call home for dry clothes, and the office will not be able to provide you with dry clothes or shoes.
And is there an opportunity to get wet on the playground?
Definitely.
Big time. There are puddles like crazy. Let's give this shout out.
Ms. LeBerry would like to give a shout out to Amelia W. in her class for giving above and beyond to help clean up our classrooms so we could get to the gutter derby on time.
Way to be helpful, Amelia. Sports announcement.
Congratulations to the TC Trojans who beat Midland Dow last night. They headed to the regional championships against Rockford at Central tomorrow night at 6 o'clock. Come cheer them on.
Yeah, go girls team. And we have these guys in the background because they are here to deliver, to show you who our next Big Thumbs Up Award is. This happens once a month. It's a big deal. Who was the last class that had it? Mrs. Edwardson's class had it for a full month. So you guys have noticed another class that has been showing star behavior throughout the month. All right, let's see it. Who gets the next Big Thumbs Up Award?
Miss Lane's class.
Whoa, congratulations, Miss Lane's class. Who wants to read that?
Miss Lane's class have been Eastern Stars all month long. They have been dedicated learners and silent in the halls while other classes are learning. You guys represent Eastern well. Thank you for being an excellent role model.
Congratulations, Mrs. Lane's class. Good work, good work. We have a word of the day. What's our word of the day today?
Quest. A search or pursue made in order to find or obtain something.
Okay, I think that leads us perfectly into the gutter derby because that was the quest. Pursuit of the championship yesterday. So I got to give you all a recap because I know it went right up to the bell. I mean, actually, the last race happened after the bell rang, so students had to be dismissed. So there's many of you don't know what the fastest car was. So it came down to King Duck?
King Duck.
King Duck versus Skibbity Sigma. And it was a close one. But your gutter derby champions this year in 2025 goes to the Skibbity Sigma car. So congratulations, Skibbity Sigmas. King Duck, runner-up, good work. And I want to give a huge shout-out to all the 5th graders who participated this year because they put in so much work and time. And it wasn't easy, was it? Can you guys vouch that it's hard to work as a team to bring this together. So they did a great job. And I just want to also point out a couple of crazy things that happened. First of all, there was a dead tie between 2 cars, which is kind of insane to think about because there was Dry Marker versus Charlie Brown, and they crossed the finish line at the exact same time. And when I say the exact same time, I mean to the 10,000th of a second. Now, that's a mind-boggling short amount of time, but they did it. It was the exact same. It was crazy. And I also got to give a huge shout out to Everett's team. Everett, who's in your team?
Leah and Delilah.
Leah and Delilah. So there was a big kind of mix-up because it was actually against the Skibbity Sigma and Phantom Bus, and their lanes were switched up, so it was mixed up on the screen. So I actually announced that Phantom Bus won, and it was by just such a short amount of time. But then it turns out that it was Skibbity Sigma that won. So they did a great job being role models and handling that kind of like excitement and then disappointment. They did a great job. So I still feel really bad about that, Everett.
It's okay,
but
Mr. Cooper.
yeah, you did a great job handling
you.
it, and
Thank
so
you.
did your team.
Thank you.
And now you guys are probably wondering what happened after the race. What happened when Skibbity Sigma raced the Go Fast car? Now there's a lot on the line for this. There was a lot on the line because Mr. Sweegles actually said that anybody who beats my car gets Jimmy John's. So he was going to buy them Jimmy John's for the winner. And I am happy to say that no students are getting Jimmy John's because by a narrow, I mean, it was like this. Crossing the finish line, it was like this, but the Go Fast car lived up to its name and it went fast down the track. So that gives next year's fourth graders coming in, you guys will have an opportunity to try to beat the Go Fast car. It won't be easy because it does live up to its name. It goes fast. But everybody did a great job, and even though Mason's got his thumbs down, the attitudes were wonderful yesterday. Everybody was pumping themselves up, right? Hey, Weston was part of the Skibbity Sigma. We got Weston, Henrik, and Asher. Congrats, you guys, for being this year's champions. We'll show you their trophies tomorrow. All right. And with that, we will send you away. That's all for today.
Remember to be safe.
Hold on. They got a mouthful. You guys see what you have to say?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. That's all for today.
Remember to be safe, trustworthy, attentive, and respectful. Be a star. Have a tremendous Chicken Taco Tuesday. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.